in MS. We are going to start lesson number 5, Be on Time. It's your second term portion. Today we are going to start lesson 5, Be on Time. Okay, so all of you open your book, Be on Time. Be on time means punctuality. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to know about the punctuality, the importance of punctuality in our life. Okay, why it is so important, why punctuality is so important. Okay, so we'll learn in this lesson. All of you see in your book, it is given on page number 31. Punctuality means to do something on time or reach somewhere well in time. Okay, punctuality means to do something on time. Okay, if you want to do something, so you should do that thing on time. ठीक है, और reach somewhere well in time. Punctuality का मतलब ये होता है कि आपको जो भी काम दिए जाते हैं, whatever work you have to do, you should do that work on time. Or if you have to reach somewhere, there also you should reach well in time. Okay, time is precious. Time जो है वो बहुत precious है, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. ठीक है, once gone it never comes back. और एक बार अगर समय चला जाता है तो दोबारा वापस नहीं आता है. That is the reason it is said, okay, that punctuality is very very important for us. No matter how much we regret. एक बार समय चला गया तो फिर हम कितना भी उसके लिए परेशान हो जाए, दुखी हो जाए, रिग्रेट करें, वो समय वापस नहीं आता है. To save time, planning is essential. If you plan your day properly, you can do many things during the day. Okay, so if you have to do, okay, you have to make a timetable. You have to make a timetable and you have to perform your daily activities according to your timetable. Okay, so for that planning is very very essential. Okay na, planning is very very essential, and if you will plan your work, you will definitely complete your work on time. You will not delay, you will complete your work on time. So time is very very precious, and एक बार ये समय चला गया दोबारा वापस नहीं आता है. हर चीज़ का समय होता है. आपको कब सुबह उठना है, रात में कब सोना है, पढ़ाई कब करना है, खेलना कब है. तो आप बहुत सारे काम तो अपने उस टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग करते हो, लेकिन कुछ लोग जो कभी भी समय का ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, आज का काम कल पे डालते हैं. और ऐसे करने से क्या होता है, हमेशा याद रखिए, जो लोग समय पे काम नहीं करते हैं उन्हें हमेशा क्या होता है, परेशानी ही झेलनी पड़ती है. सो वी रीड द स्टोरी अबाउट दिस. Here see, it is given here, time is precious, don't let it pass by. If for once it's gone, there's nothing but to cry. Time क्या है, बहुत precious है. Don't let it pass by. कभी भी इसे जाने मत दो. For once it's gone, और एक बार ये चला गया, there's nothing but to cry. उसके बाद सिर्फ रोने के अलावा आपको कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा. Okay? Time is like a water. Time जो है वो कैसा है, पानी की तरह है. Don't let it dry. उसे सूखने मत दो. Time is like money. Time क्या है, पैसे की जैसा है. Don't let it fly. और इसे खर्च मत होने दो, उड़ने मत दो. For once it gone, there's nothing but to cry. और एक बार ये चला गया तो फिर हमारे पास रोने के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं बचता. ठीक ना? So here is the story, the missed bus. Okay, so was a student of class 2nd. One day he reached home looking very excited. The following conversation took place between him and his mother. Sonu is a boy and he was studying on class 2nd. And one day when he came back from the school, that time he was very excited and he started his conversation with his mother. Here is the conversation. Sonu is telling to his mother, "Mom, tomorrow I am going on a school picnic." Sonu said to his mother that tomorrow I am going to a school picnic. Mom said, very good. Well, make all arrangements well in time. Don't be lazy. Mother said that okay, you are going, so do all your arrangements and don't be lazy. जाना है ना कल तुम्हें पिकनिक पे, तो अपने सारे अरेंजमेंट को कर लेना और देर मत होना. सोनू said, yes mom. The bus will come to pick me up at 8 o'clock. Sonu said, yes ma'am, yes mom, and tomorrow bus will come 8 o'clock to pick me up. And the day passed, Sonu did not make the arrangement. और वो दिन चला गया, जिस दिन वो स्कूल से आया अपनी मदर से उसने ये बातें कन्वे की कि कल मेरे स्कूल से पिकनिक जा रहा है और 8 o'clock पे बस आएगी मुझे पिकअप करने के लिए. और लेकिन उस दिन उसने ये सारी बातें करके, लेकिन उसने कोई भी अरेंजमेंट नहीं किया, कोई भी चीज़ें सेट नहीं की कि उसे क्या क्या ले जाना है पिकनिक के लिए. मॉम, सोनू, इट्स 8:30 PM and you have not done anything. सोनू की मॉम आती है, कहती सोनू वेकअप यार, इट्स 8:30, ये 8:30 हो चुका टाइमिंग और तुमने अभी तक कुछ भी तैयार नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया. सोनू, oh mom, I forgot, I am doing right now. सोनू said, oh my god, I forgot and I'm just going to do things now. Saying this, Sonu took out a smart dress, his goggles, his sports shoes and picnic bag. और ऐसा कह के उसने इन सारी चीज़ों को निकाला. क्या क्या चीज़ें थी उसकी? जो उसका ड्रेस था, उसका जो गॉगल्स था, उसका जो स्पोर्ट्स शूज था और पिकनिक बैग. Then he took his dinner and started watching cartoon on TV. After some time, his mom came. और उसके बाद उसने उन सारी चीज़ों को निकाल दिया और वो टीवी देखने बैठ गया. ओके. और देन आफ्टर सम टाइम हिज मॉम केम. और कुछ समय बाद उसकी माँ वापस आती है. देन मॉम सेड टू सोनू, सोनू इट्स 10 PM. ओके. And sleep quickly, otherwise you will not be able to get up on time. Mom said, Sonu, now switch off the TV and go and sleep. It's already 10 PM. Otherwise you will not sleep on time. You will not get up in the morning. Okay? Take this ₹50. Okay? Mother gave 50 rupees to Sonu and said, spend it on picnic. And you are going on picnic, so you can spend it there. Also set an alarm of 7 AM. And mother said, set an alarm of 7 AM. This will help you. Okay? Sonu said, okay mom. Sonu keeps on watching TV and sleeps while watching the TV. Or Sonu, mother came and she has given that 50 rupees and said to go and sleep. But after the mother, she went to the room. Sonu still watching the TV and while watching he slept there. Sonu TV देखते देखते ही वहीं पे सो गया. In the morning, and what happened in the morning next? Mom, Sonu, get up. Mom said, Sonu, utho. Sonu, yes ma'am, good morning. Mom said, what have you done? It is 7:30 AM. Hurry up. Sonu was shocked. He really hurried up but he reached the bus stand in 8:50. उसने माँ आई उसे उठाई और उस समय क्या टाइम हो रहा था? 7:40 हो रहा था. और सोनू की बस उसे पिकअप करने कब आने वाली थी? 8 o'clock पे. सोनू ही really hurried up but he reached the bus stand at 8:50. उसने बहुत जल्दी किया, बहुत कुछ जल्दी किया, लेकिन 8:15 पे वो बस स्टैंड पे पहुंच पाया. At a fair distance, he saw the bus going. और एक बहुत ही fair distance से, ना तो बहुत दूर था, बस उसने देखा उसके बस उसके सामने से गुजर रही है. He missed the bus और for not following the punctuality, he missed the bus. और इस वजह से उसकी बस क्या होती है? छूट जाती है. He started crying and then he started crying. और रोने लगता है. He reached back home or after that he came back to home. Sonu, Mom, I missed my bus. And then he said to his mom, Mom, I missed my bus. I was late by a few minutes and I was late. Okay? Mom, what mom said? Oh dear, I told you to sleep early and set an alarm. Mother said, I already said to you, na, just go and sleep and set an alarm of 7 o'clock. You always waste time. और तुम हमेशा समय बर्बाद करते हो. You always waste time. You miss the bus because you were not punctual. You miss the bus because you were not punctual. तुमने हमारी बस इसलिए छूटी कि तुम punctual नहीं हो. No point in crying now. अब रोने से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Learn to pay respect to time, and you should learn to pay respect to time. Sonu realized his mistake and decided to be punctual in life. And from now, he got a lesson that he should be punctual in life. So children, never waste time. It is for you children. You should also follow the punctuality in life. You should never waste time. And decided to develop a habit of doing things well within time. Or you should also develop a habit of doing things well in time. So if in your life you will follow the punctuality, you will not cry like so. Because सोनू क्यों रोया? क्योंकि उसकी लाइफ में पंचुअलिटी नहीं थी. ठीक है, तो आप भी पंचुअल बनिए एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू सेव टाइम. कि समय को इम्पोर्टेंस दीजिए, समय के हिसाब से टाइम टेबल अपना तैयार करिए एंड यू शुड फॉलो द पंचुअलिटी इन लाइफ. It is very very important. If you want to be a good children, if you want to be a punctual, so you should follow the punctuality in life. Okay. So next we will do the question answer, but not now. You should read this lesson again, and in the next video we will do the question answer of this lesson. Be on time. Okay.